And here we are already in module number 4. So we're looking at improving systems and design to promote population health. That's the whole focus of the course, and we've been building those stepping stones along the way. And this is where we're putting absolutely everything together in the form of a proposal for a population health design project. So we're going to take a look at our module. So with that, being innovative is really a key element, and we're going to dive back to 730 a little bit and looking at applying that innovation to make a difference in the overall health of populations. And to sort of demonstrate this, this is outside the box type thinking. This is actually Rebecca Oni, who did a really unique project and then a sequel to kind of a follow-up to her initial project. So you can see how there's an evolution of impact that occurs when you start with maybe a project just like your own, to really build and improve on the outcomes for those folks that we serve, whether that would be our fellow nurses or whether it would be a particular population in a community or a particular population within an organization, meaning a disease process or a certain sector of a population, whether it be age or different demographics, whatever your area of focus may have been. So also, in looking at population health, there are all kinds of things, all kinds of possibilities actually, as far as making a difference. And we really need to think beyond our scope as far as what we know of healthcare to really make an impact and to elevate outcomes. And this is just a really interesting concept of why a hospital of the future will be in your own home. So again, it's that outside the box thinking that really expands the experience of health, and what we know as healthcare right now really needs to shift and change. So we have our population health competencies. We're going to revisit those. We've actually taken a look in our very first module. They were within the resources for success, and we're going to really dive into those as well. This talks about leadership and really taking the lead in changing from within for impact outside is really critical. So I think you'll really enjoy this as well. And some more readings, and of course the link for your design project. And there's a video on how to complete, or some tips to complete your design project proposal. So as far as opportunities for success, there are, again, additional information. We touched on equity early on in the course, and we're going to dive into equity a little more. And this is just a real quick visual as far as creating that health equity and addressing those social determinants of health so folks can have the opportunities for the same types of outcomes, when in actuality, the way our world exists, not everyone has the same opportunities for health. So let's go ahead and take a look at our very final forum. So we're going to take the opportunity to share your design projects with each other, and also take a look at your evolving competencies in population health, as well as really taking a look at some reflective type questions and how everything kind of connects, what your takeaway may have been from this particular course, and also this is the time to really take a step back and really reflect on the program as a whole and share your words of wisdom, any particularly striking experiences that you may have had throughout the journey, and any particular closing remarks that you may have about the overall program, the process of going through the courses, and how that's impacted your leadership practice. So if you have any questions or concerns, let me know. I'm really excited. This is the time to celebrate a really major milestone, and just think how far you all have come. Thank you so much. Take care.